Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So for today's video we have decided to do a little challenge video. Oh, this is gonna be fun. So we thought it would be fun to do a dress like your zodiac sign challenge. I'm a Gemini.
I'm a Pisces.
Yeah, so we've looked on Pinterest, we've got loads of photos of, so we've got outfit photos. It looks like I'm choking you here, doesn't it? Sorry.
Yeah.
So we've got outfit photos, makeup photos,
Hair photos,
hair as well. So that is why I've not done my hair, not done my makeup, because we are going to be doing it, and we're going to be doing it like our star sign. First we're going to do our makeup. Should we do our makeup first or our outfit?
makeup.
Yeah? Okay, so I've got pictures here. So first off then, we will start with our eyes, shall we? I am a Gemini, so I've got to do this orange eyeshadow. Oh no, and a winged eyeliner. I can't do winged eyeliner, so that could be a disaster. Oh. Okay, I'll give it a good go though. And Ava, for you, we've got to do like a pink. Oh, it's quite nice actually. I like that one. So like nice, subtle, like a little bit pinky.
I feel
mascara.
I feel like Pisces is really pink and like bright colours.
Yeah, lots of like pinky stuff. And also she's got really dark eyebrows in that one. So we might have to pencil some eyebrows in for you. Okay, so let's get the eyeshadow out first. Shall I do yours first, Ava?
Yeah.
I've got this Sun-Kissed palette here. And I reckon that one in the photo is quite similar. Let me look again. Pisces, quite similar to like this one, I reckon. Like really subtle pink. Or it could even be this one, Morganite. Let's give it a go.
I'm gonna tickle and I'm very sensitive. So.
This is gonna tickle. Ava, obviously she's 9, so does not wear makeup. This is just for fun. Only gonna be doing eyeshadow and lipstick. No foundation or anything. I'm actually really bad at makeup, so this could be interesting.
Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight.
Do you know any makeup artists that do your makeup like this? Come on, give me your head.
One night to find the answer.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Right, now I've got to do your eyebrows. Now it is my turn, so mine is more orange. Actually, I've got a really nice orange as well. I've got this amber palette, Amber Passion, which is from Primark, and I might have to mix these two.
Where?
Them two there. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Showing up, don't wanna have to wait tonight.
Okay, so I've done my eyeshadow. It's fine, it's not the worst. Now for the lips. So what do the lips look like? Yours is nice, yours is a nice pink. I think we've got that pink. Yeah, that is probably it actually. Yeah, so come here, let's do yours first. Now, I don't know if I've got my colour. Okay, I have not really got that exact colour, so I'm gonna have to just see if I can mix a couple colours and get that colour. Okay, so I just tried to mix a few different colours together. It's not exactly the same, but it's gonna have to do. Right, now the fun bit, we're gonna do the outfits. We've got some outfits set out. So the first outfit change, the first one is gonna be more of a casual look. They put them into groups, so you've got Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Sagittarius, and then Leo, Virgo, Cancer, Capricorn, then Libra, Pisces, Scorpio and Aquarius. So I've got a top really similar to that one, to the Gemini one. So I'm going to put the jeans and top on, and then you're going to put your jeans and top on. And let's see.
Isn't one.
Yeah, the top's not this one. This is our outfits.
So at the minute I look like a really tiny woman. Like, what?
So Ava has got, I'm going to show you, Ava's got my top on.
Myself.
So Ava is wearing my top and then just a pair of her jeans. But I think that's quite a good match. And then I have had this top for ages. I actually wore this outfit the other day and I put a photo up on my Instagram. And then just jeans. I feel like we did a good job on this one. Right now, outfit number 2. This next outfit is like our fancy going out outfit. We tried to get it as similar as possible. Obviously it's hard because they're all like proper ball gowns. But I think we did all right. So yeah. This is Avie pantses. Okay, so here is Ava in a glittery yellow dress.
It was meant to be gold, but I don't have anything gold except from something that's
kind of that's it. That's the closest we could get, isn't it? But this is from Zara, and it's actually a really lovely dress. You look so beautiful, sweetie pie. You look lovely.
But it itches all over.
You're not a fan of it, are you? Yeah. So that's Ava's outfit, and then this is my outfit. So the only thing similar is that it's blue, let's be honest. But I put it on, I've not worn it for probably like 2 years, and it's a little bit tight, I'm not gonna lie, but it's fine, I'm getting curvy. Let's just go with the curviness. So shoes, in the photo she wears shoes like this, but they're blue, but obviously I've only got them in silver, and then these are the only other blue shoes I've got, so I might just try both on. So I put these ones on with it. I'm not really a fan of how they look with it. The shades of blue are just totally different. The silver ones will definitely go better. Now we've got to do our hair, and that is the last thing. Okay, so for the hair, this is going to be tricky. The Gemini one looks really hard. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do them plaits. I'll give it a good go though. And on your one, it's just the buns. So we're not going to dye the hair, although I might have a purple hairspray. But yeah, let's just give that a go. Is that there plaits on that Pisces one as well? Ooh. Right, let's just give it a go. So let's do yours first, Davey. Space bun.
Open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Just one looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Hold out your hand, yeah. Every day you're with me when I think I can't stand, yeah. You got big things coming.
Do not laugh at my attempt, because it is a little bit wonky. So I did the plait all right. The first one turned out quite nice. I've got the plaits quite nice there, and then the other side went a little bit wrong. It's just a bit wonky. It could be a new trend, the wonky space buns. I think that this one I just did too big. Anyway, that is Ava then. Look at me.
That's terrible.
Oh. Now I've got to give my hairdo a go. Yeah, let's see how it goes.
To leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Just one looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side.
Big mountain, what do I say? Them can never lower you my way. You go low, then you go high. You go near, then you go far. You go calling round and round and round, round, but you're falling down and down and down. You just wanna go to.
So we have finished our hair now. This is how my hair turned out. Not too bad. Ava's, I could have done a better job. I'm sorry. I find it easier doing my hair for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, this is the finished look. This is our fancy. Well, Ava got changed actually, because she's had enough of that dress. It was itching her too much. But this is my finished look. My Gemini blue dress and plaited hair, and Ava's just got her hair left and her makeup. So that is the end of the video. I hope you did enjoy it. Ava has got so many challenge videos up her sleeve that she wants to do with me.
Like, I just said to her, maybe we could do like for a week we could like do challenges every day.
Challenge week on here, yeah. So maybe we'll do that. It just took so much time to do this one, but yeah, we will probably do more challenges because it was really fun actually, wasn't it? Yeah. Do you like your Pisces look?
Yeah.
Yeah, I quite like my Gemini look as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, please do give it a little thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos, and I will see you in another video. Bye!